Welcome to my channel My Kids Training. Don't forget to subscribe. Today in this video we will learn good habits. We should sleep early and wake up early in the morning to stay healthy and fit. Take a bath daily. Brush your teeth twice daily. We should wear clean clothes. Drink lots of water. Eat your meal on time. Eat healthy food full of vitamins and minerals. Always finish your meal. Care the sick peoples. We must wash our hands before and after every meal. We should respect our teachers. Clean your ears regularly. Cut your nails. Comb your hairs twice a day. We should pray 5 times daily. We should read books. We should exercise daily. Throw the garbage in the dustbin. Never waste food and water. Finish your food. We should close the tap after use the water. Keep your toys well organized. We should care the nature. We should keep our home clean. Keep your surrounding clean. We must adopt these good habits. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.